Today we will learn about plane shape. What are plane shapes? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. These are plane shapes. Square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. Corners are also called vertices. All the 4 sides of a square are equal in length. See, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are sides. And 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are vertex. All sides are equal in length. This is called square. Now, rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. Rectangle has also 4 sides and 4 corners. But in rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. Now third, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. The sides of a triangle may or may not be equal in length. Means the sides of triangle may or may not be equal, but there are 3 vertex and 3 sides. This is that's why this is called triangle. Okay. Now a circle. A circle has 1 curved side and no vertices. Means in the circle there are no vertices but only 1 curved side. Okay. Now an oval. An oval is an elongated circle. It has 1 curved side and no vertices. Same like circle. There is no vertices but only 1 curved side. This is elongated circle. Okay. This is called plane shapes. This is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Its opposite sides are equal in length. Means 4 sides and 4 vertices. Opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. This is triangle. There are 3 sides and 3 vertices. That is why it is called triangle. Now, circle. Circle has no vertices and only 1 curved side. 1 curved side. Okay. Square, 4 sides and 4 vertices. All sides are equal in length. Okay. So, these are plane shapes. Now, solid shapes. Solid shapes has face, edge and vertex. Okay. Each side of these solid shapes is a surface and is called face, which can be flat or curved. Okay. Solid shapes has surface. It is called face and it can be flat and curved. 2 faces always meet an edge, which can be straight or curved. 2 faces always meet an edge. जहाँ पे 2 फेस मिलते हैं वहाँ पे edge कहलाता है. Okay. 3 edges meet at a point called vertex. When 3 edges meet at a point, it is called vertex. Cuboid. Cuboid. This is a solid form of rectangle. Cuboid. Matchbox, cupboard, gift box, blackboard, duster. Okay. Each of these objects has the shape of a cuboid. Vertex. How many vertex are there? 8 vertices. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 vertices. 6 flat faces and 12 edges. Okay. In a cuboid, there are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Cube. Cube looks like an what? Cube looks like a square. Okay. Dice, building blocks, sugar cube, Rubik's cube. है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are also 8 vertices, 6 faces and 12 edges. Each face of the cube is square. Each face of the cube is square. Okay. Now, sphere. Look at the objects given below. Tennis ball, football, globe. This is like circle. Okay. Each of these objects has the shape of a sphere. A sphere has only one curved face. One curved face and 0 vertices. 0 edges and 0 vertices are there. Cylinder. Cylinder has 2 flat faces and 1 curved faces and 2 curved edges. There are 0 vertices. Coke can, candle, tube light. These are examples of cylinder. Okay. Now, cone. Cone is look like triangle. There are 1 curved edge, 1 curved face, 1 flat face and 1 vertex. This is called cone. Okay. So these are solid shapes. This is a cuboid and cylinder. Cube and cylinder. Sphere and cube. Cuboid and cone. So in this way you have to solve, and you all have to learn solid shapes and plane shapes. Solid shapes: cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder and cone. These are solid shapes. Plane shapes: square, rectangle, triangle, circle and oval. These are plane shapes.